In this video we are going to say switch statement. So switch statement, first let us see the introduction. Switch statement comes under the decision making statements or conditional statements. Statement is similar to if else. Switch statement will reduce the length of this code, like when we observe the syntax of switch, like when we saw the syntax of switch. So switch, so all in the small letters, switch. Here we need to pass the value. Okay, so open the switch and close the switch. So case value, like let it be value 1 and core regarding this case value 1, and you need to place the break. Okay, case value 2 and core regarding this case value 2 and break, right? And at the last you can give the default, it is optional. So default, here you can write the default code. So this is the syntax of the switch, like switch case. So now when we compare, like if will map to the first case, let it be else if like this, and so on, like default will be the else. Okay, so this is how the switch case is going to work, which is similar to the else if case. So basic arithmetic calculator with respect to symbols means, so what it is mean by, so in the basic arithmetic what we have addition, subtraction and multiplication. Division, in the division we have again two sections, right? One will give quotient and another one will give a remainder. So this is a basic arithmetic calculator, right? So we need to perform this basic arithmetic calculator using switch case. Now let us move to the program. So in that I will explain how we can do this question. Okay, this is the dynamic program, right? Like we need to take the inputs from the output screen. So for that we need to import the scanners, right? So first line of scanner is import java.util.scanner, and here in the main method first line of scanner is like scanner sc equals to new scanner. In the brackets of this we need to pass system.in, right? Now first I want to take the inputs, let it be like I am advising user like this, like using the printing statement only we need to indicate, right? So in this printing statement I am advising user like this, like enter the first number, so that the enter number I am going to store in one variable, let it be n1, okay, which is equals to sc dot. So this is the number which is the format of integer, right? So we need to take the next int method, right? Again same way, let us ask the user like this, like enter the number, enter the symbol to perform operation. So the symbols are like minus, plus, minus, multiplication, quotient, division, right, and modulus division. So that entered operator I am going to store in character, like it is a characters, right? These are special symbols which comes under characters. Okay, so I am taking character, let it be operation op, and it is a character, right? You need to take next char or not the next char. There is no method like next char, next character at 0, right? So this is a method you need to take. One another number, like enter the second number, let it be now here I am giving it like a n2, I am storing in n2 variable. So this is a basic code, I think you all know. Now let us build the switch case program from here. So first write the syntax of switch. So here it will accept value, right? So first let us write the syntax, later we will move into the code. Okay, so case here it is like a value 1, so you need to give the column, so it is the code for case like value 1, case value 1 code. Same way case value 2 code, case value 2 code, and case value 3 code. Again we have default, so default code. Okay, so this is the syntax of the switch, right? Now here I am taking another variable to store the result, like result variable, which is equals to, so let us declare the value for the result inside the case. Okay, so when it is a place, so what the operator, where we are going to store the operator, in the OP variable, right? So when OP is equals to place, like place symbol, then we need to perform result equals to n1 plus n2. Okay, now when OP is equals to, when operator is minus, then we need to perform n minus n2. So here don't forget to use the breaks. So I will show what the importance regarding the break also. So first observe this thing right now. Okay, so here is the value 3 change to operator multiplication. Now when operator is into like star, we need to perform the multiplication. So same way we need a requirement of one more, right? So here let's take the division. So here division. Now in the default, what the operator will left over, we are left over with only the modulus, right? So give the modulus here. So result is equals to result is equals to n modulus by 2. Okay, place the breaks after the cases, like here you need to place the breaks, don't forget to write the break statements. So now after the switch, let us try to print the result. Okay, here I am printing, here I am passing the result variable. So now when I run this program, let us check for any errors or not. So here we have default in the error, so here you need to give the column, right? So that thing we have missed here. Now when I again run the program, here it is successfully executed. It is asking for enter the first number, let it be 10. Now enter the symbol to operation, like here we missed the perform, so write the perform here. Now here let us give the multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Now when I press enter, it is asking for enter the second number. Let it be like 3. 10 into 3, it is like a 30, right? So when I press enter, we need to get the output as 30. So okay, see, this is how the switch case is going to work. Now what if when I don't use the breaks, right? So when I remove the breaks, you can see, so let us hide the code for this lines. So let us hide the break statements. So when I run this, let us give the same inputs like 10 and 3. So the output we need to get 30, right? So the 30 we won't get, we will get the 1. Why? Because that like 10 here, 10 modulus 3, which is like, so I will show you in the better manner in the notes. So here the execution will comes, and from here onwards it will continually execute the line of code until it will check for the break. Okay, until the break or for the switch or the switch close, like switch block close. Until this, the execution will continuous. Okay, so what happened right here, so from here onwards the execution starts. Okay, from here to here the execution starts, and here it ended, right? So 10 when modulus with 3, what will be the output? Obviously remainder is 1, right? So like 10 3 10 like 3 9, what is the remainder? 1, right? So this is the answer we got here. Suppose when I given the break here, right? So then what will be the output? Like 10 by 3, the remainder will like the quotient will be the 3, right? So now let us check for the same answer over here. So first number 10, and I am giving the star and I am giving the 3. When I press enter, see the output is 3. So whenever the case is executed, it will check for the break. So when you forget to give the break after the case value, it will continually executed till to the break or till to the switch end, right? So don't forget to use breaks. Okay, so this is all about the switch case. I think you got the clear idea on the switch case and regarding this program. Thank you for watching.